Hello friends, is your car struggling with cold starts, running rough, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0413, you're in the right place. This code is related to the secondary air injection system, specifically the switching valve circuit. Ignoring it can lead to poor engine performance, higher emissions, and possible engine damage over time. In this video, I'll explain what P0413 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0413? The P0413 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Switching Valve A Circuit Open. The SAI system helps reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust system during cold starts. This helps burn excess fuel and lowers pollution levels. The switching valve is responsible for opening and closing airflow between the SAI pump and the exhaust manifold. If the ECU detects an open circuit in the switching valve, it triggers P0413. Common symptoms of P0413: check engine light, CL, on rough idle, especially when starting the engine. Loss of power or sluggish acceleration, unusual clicking or hissing noise from the air injection system, failed emissions test. If you're facing these problems, let's find the key components of the SAI system. The secondary air injection system, or SAI system, has multiple key components and their locations can vary depending on your car model. Here's where to find them. Tip: always check your service manual for exact locations, as they can vary by vehicle. A defective SAI pressure sensor can misread airflow and cause the ECU to detect an issue. Also, if the secondary air pump isn't providing airflow, the switching valve won't function correctly. First, scan your car with an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0413 code and check for related codes. Then, locate the switching valve and check if it is opening and closing properly. Next, test the SAI relay and fuse in the engine bay. Replace them if necessary. Finally, clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and take the vehicle for a test drive. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0114. Intake air temperature sensor intermittent issue, and P0115. Engine coolant temperature sensor circuit malfunction.